give the example of Warren Buffett. He's
Right.
an all-time big investor and world famous investor. He spends his 80% of time of a day in reading.
Right. मैं मुबशिर रियाज मैं आपसे ये जानने की कोशिश करूँगा कि आप क्या समझते हैं कैसे इनकलकेट करेंगे हैबिट?
Like मैं पहले ही कहूँ, not all readers are leaders, but all leaders are readers.
Right.
So we have to become a great leaders. अब आप बोल रहे हैं कि inculcate कैसे करें?
जी जी.
So I have to make people aware. What are the pros and cons of this reading and not reading?
Right.
If I will give you the example of present who are the billionaires of the world currently, all are readers. I will give you the example of Warren Buffett. He's
Right.
an all-time big investor and world famous investor. He spends his 80% of time of a day in reading.
Right.
So अब यहाँ से हम जान सकते हैं कि रीडिंग कितनी ज़रूरत है. अब मैं और एग्जांपल दूँ इलान मस्क की. He is the SpaceX CEO of SpaceX. Currently he is launching rockets, every new technology like Tesla. उसने वो खुद पढ़ी नहीं है, like उसने उसके बारे में पढ़ा नहीं है. But when one questioned him, आपको इतना पता कैसे? उसने बोला I used to read a lot. So this is the basic. If we have to be successful in life, we have to inculcate this habit. Now you are telling me how we have to build this habit. There is a simple way. You have to find first interest of genre. There are many, like there are fiction, there are novel, there are many kinds of you will find in market. Then what you have to do is you have to find which book you are gonna read. Just start reading. Just start giving time to book.
Right.
But from the first day up to at least 21st, take the challenge of 21st day. And when you will be on the end of the book or in the mid, if you find it's not interesting, read. But you have inculcated the habit of reading. Now you will find day after day, you will have more curiosity to learn new things. And by reading, you can achieve every milestone in life.
That's great.